The faces which you see behind me are both happy and relieved. They are happy because they witnessed an absolute batting masterclass by the Indian cricket team, and they are relieved because the campaign stays alive. Yes, courtesy and assist from South Africa earlier in the day, India's T20 World Cup dream is alive and kicking and hitting. It was a very important game for India. The opposition may not be as threatening as the likes of South Africa, but India needed to win this game and check those important batting boxes. And they did, scoring in excess of 250 runs with the bat. All six batters operating at a strike rate in excess of 150. Three batters hovering in the 200s. It was a very good batting display on offer as far as this Indian cricket team is concerned. There was a rejig in the batting order as TimesOfIndia.com had reported. संजू सैमसन को वापस लाया गया 11 के अंदर. वो लेफ्ट राइट वाला जो टेम्पो था वो चाहते थे वो इंजेक्ट करना एट टॉप एंड इट हेल्प. संजू के रन ज्यादा नहीं लगे बट ऑफ स्पिनर को दूर रखा. वो ऑफ स्पिनर जो पावर प्ले के बाद गेंदबाजी करने आए, और जब वो गेंदबाजी करने आए तब तक मैटर ऑलमोस्ट सील हो चुका था क्योंकि अभिषेक के रन आने शुरू हो चुके थे. तिलक वर्मा बचे थे अभी आने क्योंकि ईशान किशन नंबर 3 पे थे, तो बैटिंग बहुत बची थी और फ्लुएंसी एट टॉप ऑफ द ऑर्डर जो इंडिया को थोड़ा मिसिंग लगा था इस टूर्नामेंट में वो टिक हो चुका था. बैटिंग ऑर्डर वाज रिजिड एज आई सेड. तिलक वर्मा not coming at his usual number 3 position because Ishan had to drop a number. Then came Suryakumar Yadav. Then a promotion happened for Hardik Pandya. So India tactically were spot on in this game as far as the batting order was concerned. It was too hot to handle for Zimbabwe, who were tactically very short on confidence, and they didn't quite preempt what could have been done, especially the introduction of spin late into the attack. I think that is where they kind of missed the trick and allowed this Indian batting to fire on all cylinders. With the ball, I think business as usual था. अर्शदीप, हार्दिक, जसप्रीत बुमराह पावर प्ले में टाइट रखा, ज्यादा रन नहीं दिए. अक्सर ने आके आपको वो ब्रेक थ्रू दिया. बेनेट प्लेड अ ब्लाइंडर. आई थिंक वो इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि वो 100 रन नहीं लगा पाए, बट उनकी पारी तारीफ के काबिल है और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बैटिंग करी, commendable and hats off because this was always going to be a tough chase for Zimbabwe. They fell short by 72 runs. But the total number of runs which they put on the board today, I think showed their stomach for fight and how good the conditions were for batting. In the end, Arshdeep Singh doing his bit in the final overs, just like he always does, picking those 3 wickets. Shivam Dube picking 1 wicket after an expensive first over. Hardik Pandya, Varun Chakravarti, Akshar Patel, Jasprit Bumrah, all keeping their bodies nice and warm because the big one will be against the West Indies at the Eden Gardens. I will be joining you from Kolkata. I'll be flying out to Kolkata with the Indian cricket team और कवरेज आप सबके लिए जारी रहेगी. तो आप देखते रहिए TOI स्पोर्ट्स क्योंकि कैंपेन इज अलाइव एंड हिटिंग एंड मस्ट विन फॉर इंडिया. जो गेम्स थे वो कंटिन्यू है. यहाँ से आप एक भी गेम अगर नहीं हारे अगले 3-4 गेम्स तो आप वर्ल्ड कप उठा रहे हैं. तो सपना जिंदा है. सपोर्ट करते रहिए. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, hit the bell icon to stay notified. This is Sahil Malhotra signing off from Chennai. I'll meet you from Kolkata very soon.